Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Priya Jithin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make apple pickle. I know you'll be wondering, that's a weird kind of pickle, but trust me, it does taste a lot like raw mango pickle. Sometimes if you're living in countries outside India, it is so hard to get raw mango, and that's when I found out a substitute for raw mango. Without further delay, let's get cooking. So today I've taken 3 apples. When you choose your apples, just make sure that they're not too overly ripe because we still want the apples to be sour and crispy. So now I'm just going to cut the apples into small pieces. So I'm just turning the stove on now, and I'm just going to dry roast the following ingredients: mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, ajwain seeds, and 2 red dried chilies. So roast until it turns slightly brown, so probably for about 2 minutes. Now it's turned slightly brown. I'm going to make this into a fine powder now. So this is how it should look after it's made into a fine powder. I'm just going to set this aside. In the same pot we'll add some oil and we'll make the masala now. So firstly I'm adding some oil. After the oil is heated up, add some asafoetida powder. Now to this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So make sure that the flame is on low because we don't want the chili powder to burn. Next to this I'm just adding a teaspoon of salt. Mix all this together. Now I'm just adding the powder that I'd grinded up earlier. Mix it all together. So I'm just going to let this cook for about 2 minutes until the raw smell of all the masala is gone. So now after 2 minutes I've just turned off the stove and I'm adding some sugar into this. Now I'm just adding the apples into this. Make sure that the stove is turned off when you're adding the apples, or else it will cook the apples. Mix this all together. And that's it. Our apple pickle is ready. And there you go viewers, this is how you make apple pickle. I've tricked my family members thinking that it's mango, and I'm sure you will as well. Try it and let me know what you think. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. I'll see you with a new exciting recipe next time. Until then, this is Priya Jithin signing off.